Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is the second part of the eighth. The second part of lesson 8 is called Leen, which means softness. The first part, if you remember, was expansion or al-mad. And what does it mean, expansion? It means that you expand the normal movement, which is fatha, dhamma, kasra, to give you a longer time. It becomes like double the time. So instead of ba, bu, bi, it becomes ba, bu, bi. But now let's take the lean or softness. How do you differentiate between mad and lean? It is with two things. First, the lean, which we're going to take now, has two characteristics. That the waw or the ya have sukoon over them that you can see. So this is waw and this is ya. The sukoon will be an incomplete circle. If you remember in the mad, we said that the sukoon will be in the form that there is nothing above the letter. So this is number one. Number two is the letter that has the lean or the softness is always have fatha. So let's take now example and we will understand what do we mean. So ta fatha wa sukoon taw, ta fatha ya sukoon tay. So if you see, this is taw and this is tay. So this is lean here. If that was mad, it would have seen two difference. What are these two difference? So it will be two will be like this, and the T will be like this. So if you see here, tau is ta fatha waw sukoon, and the sukoon here you can see the incomplete circle. Two is ta dhamma, so there will be dhamma here, and there will be kasra here. It's ta dhamma waw sukoon, and the sukoon is bold. You don't see anything. So here this is mad. So it is ta dhamma waw sukoon. Tu ta fatha waw sukoon taw. So I want you to see here. This will tell you the difference. This is one of the most important thing because people make lots of mistakes in these things. Um, so two is ta dhamma waw sukoon, and the sukoon is bold here. You don't see anything. The taw is ta fatha waw sukoon. So the first difference is the lean is always fatha. Okay. The mad goes hand in hand. So the waw will have dhamma and the mad with ya will have kasr. Okay. The second difference is the sukoon in the lean is you see incomplete circle. The sukoon in the mad is bold. So ta dhamma waw sukoon to ta kasra ya sukoon t. So this is two and this is t. هنا تا فتحة واو سكون تو تا فتحة يا سكون تي. So if you see here the two difference, as I said, that here it's fatha with waw and here is fatha with ya. Here the mad is always goes hand in hand, means dhamma with waw and kasra with ya. The second difference is that you can see the sukoon here, incomplete circle. In the mad, the sukoon is not see. There you will not see it. Now let's do the rest of the letter. ثا فتحة واو سكون ثو. ثا فتحة يا سكون ثي. ثو ثي. دال فتحة واو سكون دو. دال فتحة يا سكون دي. دو دي. ذال فتحة واو سكون ذو. ذال فتحة يا سكون ذي. ذو ذي. را فتحة واو سكون رو. را فتحة يا سكون ري. رو ري. زا فتحة واو سكون زو. زا فتحة يا سكون زي. زو زي. سين فتحة واو سكون سو. سين فتحة يا سكون سي. سو سي. شين فتحة واو سكون شو. شين فتحة يا سكون شي. شو شي. صاد فتحة واو سكون صو. صاد فتحة يا سكون صي. صو صي. ضاد فتحة واو سكون ضو. ضاد فتحة يا سكون ضي. ضو ضي. طا فتحة واو سكون طو. طا فتحة يا سكون طي. طو طي. ظا فتحة واو سكون ضو. ظا فتحة يا سكون ضي ضو ضي. لام فتحة واو سكون لو. لام كسرة يا سكون لي لو لي. نون فتحة واو سكون نو. نون فتحة يا سكون ني نو ني. همزة فتحة واو سكون أو. همزة فتحة يا سكون أي أو أي. با فتحة واو سكون بو. با فتحة يا سكون بي بو بي. جيم فتحة واو سكون جو. جيم فتحة يا سكون جي جو جي. حا فتحة واو سكون حو. حا فتحة يا سكون حي حو حي. خا فتحة واو سكون خو. خا فتحة يا سكون خي خو خي. عين فتحة واو سكون عو. عين فتحة يا سكون عي عو عي. غين فتحة واو سكون غو. غين فتحة يا سكون غي غو غي. فا فتحة واو سكون فو. فا فتحة يا سكون في فو في. قاف فتحة واو سكون قو. قاف فتحة يا سكون قي قو قي. كاف فتحة واو سكون كو. كاف فتحة يا سكون كي كو كي. ميم فتحة واو سكون مو. ميم فتحة يا سكون مي مو مي. واو فتحة واو سكون وو. واو فتحة يا سكون وي وو وي. ها فتحة واو سكون هو. ها فتحة يا سكون هي هو هي. يا فتحة واو سكون يو. يا فتحة يا سكون يي يو يي. Now let's take another example to show the difference between lean and mad. So for example, let's take this. So this will be pronounced as ra fatha waw sukun raw, while this will be pronounced ra dhamma waw sukun ru. So this is raw and this is ru. What is the difference? How do you know the difference? Two things. That here is fatha with waw, so they are not going hand in hand. This is dhamma with waw. Dhamma going with waw, so this is mad. And the mad here, the sukoon over the waw is in the form of absent anything, so this is ru. While here, two things, this is fatha with waw, so it is not going hand in hand, because what goes hand in hand is the dhamma with the waw, the kasra with the ya, so this is going hand in hand. But if you have a fatha with wow, that it's not going hand in hand. This is number one. And number two, the sukoon here, you can see it as an incomplete circle. So this is lean, this is raw, and this is mad, this is ru. And similarly will be this here. This is rai, ra fatha ya sukoon rai, while this is re. So this is rai and this is re, the same thing, because this is fatha with the ya, number one. So this cannot be mad. The other thing is the sukoon. You see an incomplete circle here. So this is and this is leen. So this is rai and this is re. Ra kasra ya sukoon. This is going hand in hand. Kasra with the ya. Number one. Number two, you don't see anything above it. So that will help you to differentiate between mad and lean. The lean, as you can see here in this example, it is always fatha with waw or fatha with ya, while in the mad it is dhamma with the waw and kasra with the ya. The second difference is the in the lean you will see the sukoon as an incomplete circle in the mushaf, while in the mad the sukoon is in the form of nothing above the letter. Now, let's take an example from the Quran. This is chapter Al-A'raf, and this is verse 116. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال ألقوا فلما ألقوا. So if you see, this is ألقوا and this is ألقوا. If you notice, they have the same exact letter. So Hamza, Lam, Qaf, Waw, and then Alif, the same thing here. However, we pronounce this alqu and this we pronounce this alqaw. Why? The only difference is here this is mad and here this is lean. How do we know that? Because this is dhamma with waw. I told you this is going hand in hand. The dhamma goes with the waw, the kasra goes with the ya. That's a mad. The Leen, it's always fatah. So this is number one. The second difference is that in the sukun in the Leen, you see incomplete circle. The sukun in the mad, you don't see anything above. So this is qu and this is qaw. قال ألقوا فلما ألقوا. So this is qaw and this is qu. This is mad and this is Leen. So this difference shows you how the difference can be complete, how the pronunciation can be completely different. So this is alqu and this is alqaw. This is mad, this is qu, and this is qaw. Thank you very much.